mods we're gonna do to our BRZ today. We got our first package is our courtesy door light, and our second package from, if you guys know this tape, from Import Bible. So first we're gonna unbox the courtesy door light. So this is a cheap mod. I bought it for like maybe 20 bucks. So you say it's $10 per door. It's the light that comes out when you open your door, and it shows a design onto the ground. I think it's used to, I guess some people call it the puddle light, so you don't step in the mud or water when you out in the dark when you open the door. But yeah, this helps you see in the dark when you open the door on the ground. And I don't know if you can see, but it shows a light. Don't want to show you the design yet, but I'll show you when we finally install it. But yeah, one for each door. Got some 3M tape and some magnets that you can put on your car door. I think this is for your, but we'll figure it out when we install it. So take a closer look. You can press the button here to turn on and off the light, or there's like a sensor here, and the light comes through here. So it'll be pointing down, on and off right there. And I think this is the lens. Yep, this is the lens that you can put in to change the design. Our next package from Import Bible, and comes with a thank you card and this beautiful melody box. I don't know if you guys know about the melody box, but to make your car kind of JDM, because in Japan they have, when they start up their car, it chimes them with a greeting. So this makes it possible for your car to greet you with several phrases you can choose from. You can also wire it to your reverse, so it will say, "Please excuse me, I'm backing up." So that's pretty cool. But I'll just install this for when every time I turn on my car, it will greet me. So here's the actual melody box. Build quality is pretty good quality plastic. Nice. And then you have the wired but magnetic charging cable. As you can see, it's magnetic. That's pretty cool. And we got a 12-volt USB adapter, and also some Velcro strips to Velcro it to your car. And that's pretty much it. There is instructions on the box itself, and that's it. Let's install these bad boys. Okay guys, we're in the BRZ. We're gonna install the melody box first, and this is how you do it. Okay, first you're gonna take the USB cable and you take this end part and put it into this spot right here. So you get this, insert it into the slot. Should be in like that. Now it's magnetic, which allows it to swivel, and you can just take it off like that, real easy. Next step is to find a spot. I think I want my melody box right here. It's right on this flat part of the glove box. To do so, it comes with these 3M Velcro pads, which I'm just gonna apply right now. Yep, stick it in the back like this. Got the 3M tape, Velcro tape, sticked in the back right here. that off. Then I like to put the USB on to see if it has clearance before I put it down. That. Just like that. Now, the box came with this USB adapter, 12-volt USB adapter. We're gonna put it in the glove box right here. So let's find a spot. Open the glove box. So the plug is right down on this side. That. Just go ahead and plug it in. Hide the wires. Just like that. Very clean, minimal wire showing. Let's test this. Just press every time you start your car. So when you start it, it's supposed to turn on.
ありがとうございます。シートベルトをお締めください。
That's dope. So every time I turn on my car, it's gonna greet me with that message. And in Japanese, I think it says, it says thank you, please buckle up. And there's a lot of different greetings, as you can see. And then there's a powered by greeting. So there's 24 of them. So like you could say powered by Subaru if I wanted, but I'll keep that greeting right now. If you buy another one, you can wire this to your reverse and it will chime a backup greeting or backup warning, which is pretty cool. Okay guys, let's go to the next install. The courtesy light is this thing right here. That's the courtesy light. So right now I'm just doing the the lazy way or the quick and dirty way, which I'm just gonna attach it to the side right here. Maybe in the future I'm gonna take this out and then replace it with the device, so like hardwire it into the car. But let's do the quick and easy way right now. Okay, we set the magnet strip, and to test it, we're just gonna put it near it and see if it can catch. Oh, hard to record this in video. There you go. And it's off, on, off. All right, I'm just gonna put it on. Okay. Here it is. Yeah, it looks pretty ugly, but this is the quick and dirty way. I'm gonna hardwire it in a later date, but right now just wanted to see how it looks like, you know? Let's see. Ooh, it turns on. Okay, let me do the other side and then I'll show you the full effect. All right guys, we're in the dark. So first we're gonna test our melody box. And then we're gonna test out a courtesy light door. So this only works for this car is to turn on the accessory mode first. So cool. All right, next is our courtesy light. Bam, it's the shotting gun. So if you guys don't know, It's from the Naruto anime. That's what my car is named after, the Susanoo. So you need this eye, the Sharingan, to unlock the jutsu that is called the Susanoo, which is the name of my car. So only right to have these. Sick. Let's see it from the outside. Nice. Hope you can see that in video. Okay guys, that was the install. So more videos will be coming. I'm taking my build in a different route because everyone on YouTube are building it the same way, of the same style, the same parts. Mine will be like you just saw in this video, little things that's different that they're not doing on their BRZ. But with that said, I have one huge part coming from Japan. It's pre-ordered. No one should have this in the United States right now. Definitely Japan already has one. Here, nobody has it. So stay tuned. So make sure you subscribe, leave a comment, and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss this part. Thanks guys.